3 easy ways to decrease your air conditioning bill in the summer. Heating and cooling Las Cruces. Now that the summer season is soon to be upon us, this means that you will more than likely end up having to deal with increasing air conditioning costs in order to help ensure that your home stays as cool as possible. When it comes to these types of costs, however, this is something that can be a rather significant expense during this time of year. In fact, it's the single biggest energy expense for homeowners. Throughout the past 10 years, energy costs have seen an increase, and electricity that is used by HVAC units tend to make up approximately 48% of all residential energy use. Thankfully, there are many different things that can be done in order to help reduce the usage of air conditioners throughout the warmest time of the year, thereby reducing how much you will end up having to pay on your annual energy bill as a result. Here are 3 easy ways to help with decreasing your air conditioning bill in the summer. First and foremost, perhaps one of the easiest ways to decrease your energy bill in the summer is to take the time to have all of your ducts inspected. According to the United States Department of Energy, it is estimated that approximately 30% of all air that flows through heating and cooling system ductwork ends up getting lost through leaks in the ductwork itself. Ducts that are damaged can end up causing your HVAC unit to run for much longer than it actually needs to, thereby leading to issues such as an overheated unit. Additionally, it can also cause debris and dirt to get into your home from various areas as well, thereby reducing the overall efficiency of your unit and causing a negative impact on the air quality of the interior of your home. The best way to correct this issue is to hire an experienced professional to inspect your ductwork for any potential leaks. Additionally, you should also ask them to check your attic in order to determine whether or not it has enough insulation in it. This is because many older homes are not insulated properly, which is something that can end up being costly when it comes to cooling your home during the summer. Another easy way to decrease your air conditioning bill in the summer is to consider using a ceiling fan. This is something that can help to disperse cooled air as well as enable you to increase the temperature of your air conditioner by approximately 4 degrees. Additionally, a ceiling fan can also help you feel much cooler thanks to the wind chill effect, as well as make a room more comfortable to be in. Make sure that you make the blades turn counterclockwise as well as turn them off whenever you leave the room in order to ensure that you don't waste energy. When you use your ceiling fan, you will end up not having your thermostat down in order to get to a more comfortable temperature. One other great way to decrease your air conditioning bill in the summer is to make sure that you always perform regular maintenance on your unit. When your unit is properly maintained, it can improve its overall operational efficiency, thereby improving performance and reducing the consumption of energy. Furthermore, regular maintenance performed by an experienced professional is something that can help to prevent any and all costly repairs later on, as well as prevent your unit from completely breaking down. This is also perhaps one of the easiest steps that you can take in terms of ensuring that you make sure that your HVAC unit is operating properly. Schedule a free consultation with On The Go HAC Heating and Cooling today.